ARGO Superior Bed Type Milling Machine has models B125 and B150. The major castings such as base, table, saddle are all manufactured from high-quality Mihanite cast iron, and the unique design of rib-type column boosts anti-vibration ability to offer good rigidity and stability. There are chip trays beside the base to collect the chips. Interior and sufficient coolant reservoir can save floor space. Extended arm-type operation panel is easy to move and operate. ISO 40 spindle taper with strong turret head offers good cutting capacity. Standard spindle motor is 5 horsepower variable speeds, and there are options of 10 steps normal motor and box head inverter motor. Spindle adopts Class P4 heavy-duty taper ball bearings, and those bearings are in strict measurement and preloaded to assure good cutting accuracy at different speeds. Quill feed rate has 3 speeds, and it's chrome-plated, which matches with the fine housing to get smooth movement and to withstand vibration in cutting. Table length and 3-axis travel are specially designed, such as B150 has 1,500 by 400 millimeters table with XYZ axes, 1,100 by 510 by 510 millimeters travel. B125 has 1,270 by 305 millimeter table with XYZ axes, 800 by 430 by 500 millimeter travel. 3 axes adopt precision lead screws or Class C5 ball screws, which match with servo drive to achieve smooth feed rate, less backlash, and good positioning accuracy. Unique extra-wide saddle and low-gravity base let table move within a confined area to reduce cutting deviation from suspending. Turret head is equipped with an available counterbalance weight to let Z-axis move smoothly. It's easy to operate 3 axes moving by hand wheels or from operation panel. Those slideways are protected by covers for waterproof, anti-dust, and anti-rub. To assure stable quality and cutting accuracy, every machine is precisely measured by straightness of quill movement and table surface, spindle speeds, noise of quill rotation, table horizontal cross-parallelism, straightness of table surface, and knee movement, as well as the round out of spindle nose taper hole, and so on.